Hi, my name is Perry Van Boom, and I would like to share with you one aspect of this class that I have really enjoyed, and that is our technology project regarding Adobe Photoshop. So I had a really great time playing around with all the different effects. I watched a few videos before starting, but I really enjoyed my time with Photoshop and the amount of playing around that I did with it, I think really helped me when it came down to making these projects. So the practice was with the rectangles that was pretty easy, but I really enjoyed making my picture collage. And partly because I decided to do a spin on it instead of just making a rectangular picture collage, I associated my initials with it. So I filled the pictures of my life within those letters. One thing that now reflecting back on this project is that I could have maybe blurred the space between pictures a little more so it would kind of look more cohesive and not so much like picture, picture, picture all separate. So that's something that I might do in the future. But other than that, I think I did a good job with placement and with making sure all the pictures were evenly displayed. And then when asked to make a website logo, I decided to make one called Perry's Pointers, and it could be for a website that maybe I'll start in the future about my tips and tricks on teaching with technology in the classroom. So what makes this unique, I wanted it to be pretty simple, but what makes it unique is the fact that I used a pointing finger as the O and dotted the I with it. So this was really testing my ability to shift an image so that it was the same size as the text, but also did what I wanted it to do. I wanted it to slant a little bit. So one important part about Photoshop that I learned when doing this logo is changing the color of something to make it exactly what I want it to be. So I found a gray that I wanted the text to be, but the hand was a black from clip art. So I was able to use the dropper and find that exact color and make the hand that same color. So I did a lot on Photoshop that I think that I'll be able to use in the future, and I'm really excited about what I learned.